Good evening. Cisco IOS, the backbone of digital India's network. So this comes under installation of computer networks. So this one is nothing but to explore the foundation operating system powering seamless connectivity across India's digital landscapes. So understanding Cisco IOS roles and evolutions. The core concept of Cisco IOS is to develop an networking OS that integrates and gives protection to our network. It consists of Internetwork Operating System and the proprietary software that runs on Cisco routers and switches. It manages network traffic, enables device configuration and ensures reliable connectivity. So it is purely developed in NS2 simulation modes and it uses C languages. So there are more opportunities these days for NS2 developers. In Chennai, there are more than 1,000 vacancies for driver development programs. So evolution and impact. From its origins in the 1980s to iOS has resolved to support complex networking demands, driving the growth of the internet and enterprise network globally. Why it matters? The iOS critically for building and maintaining robust, scalable network essential for Digital India initiates and infrastructure development. CLI modes, commands and contexts. So it consists of EXE mode, privileged EXE mode, global configuration mode, and specific configuration modes. In user EXE mode, that is execution mode, primarily basic monitoring included by limited commands. The privileged execution mode consists of full device view, troubleshooting, and integrating enabled commands. Global configuration mode consists of configuring the access and wide parameters through terminals. Terminal is nothing but a command line prompt used in Linux and Unix operating systems. So specific configuration modes, interfaces, routers, line, etc. for precise settings. Basic device configurations, host names, banners, and passwords. Setting host name is nothing but giving configuring mode for easily identify the network address, just like my home network, public network, private network, etc. Configuring banners. Implement banner mode that messages to display through the login and network. So it's like a broadcast system. Secure passwords. So these passwords only get a 16-digit hexadecimal number, but these days it is easily breakable. So it is not that much secure passwords in routers. Encrypting passwords. So they started to encrypt the password, but they only consist of 16-digit hexadecimal codes for these things. IP addressing and routing essentials, that is routing and RIP OSP of overview. So RIP is nothing but routing information protocol and OSPF is nothing but open shortest path first. So these shortest path we already discussed in data structures also. These shortest path to identify the source and destination in the network, which is very easy to move a packet from source to destination. It calculates the number of nodes inside it and transfers according to it. After the session is complete, the routing path disappears. Switching fundamentals. So VLAN trunking and STP modified. VLAN is nothing but virtual LANs. So virtual LANs is nothing but we can create our own LANs with performance and ID of assigned ports using switch ports, access WAN IDs. Trunking is nothing but transfer of WAN from single link between switches. It enables the switch port mode trunk. and specify encapsulation. Last one, STP spanning tree protocol. So prevent switching loops by blocking redundant paths, keep network stability and availability till the transaction or a packet is moved. So finally, network security with IOS access. Control lists, ACLs and AAA concepts. AAA is nothing but authentication, authorization and accounting. So generally other OSs uses handshake method, but here they use AAA concept methods. So handshake methods are nothing but the request is sent, after that response is given and the packet is moved on. If the packet is reached, then reached acknowledgement will be given back to the source, otherwise the packet is resent. But here authentication is a verify user identity, use the password and radius of the area. Authorization is nothing but given the authorized user to gain control and command over the network access. Accounting is given the activities enabled and maintained inside the log of the network protocols. Even how many packets are sent and how many are received are accounted in these things. Monitoring and troubleshooting essentials. So troubleshooting is a very deep concept, but here they troubleshoot for 6 months once or yearly once manner. So they just to use any kind of looping is done in the network. If looping is done, the network will be very slow. So for that they use ping and trace route, and then after identifying they use debug commands to verify whether the real thing happened or not. Thank you.